Hello and welcome to this introduction lecture on options and futures trading strategies. First, let's define what options and futures are. Both are types of financial derivatives that give traders the right, but not the obligation, to buy or sell an underlying asset at a predetermined price and time. Options are contracts that give traders the right to buy or sell an underlying asset at a specific price, the strike price, before a certain expiration date. Futures, on the other hand, are contracts that require traders to buy or sell an underlying asset at a specific price and time in the future. Unlike options, futures are binding contracts that traders must fulfill. So, how can traders use options and futures to create profitable trading strategies? There are many different approaches, but here are a few common ones. One of the primary uses of options is hedging, which involves using options to protect against potential losses in a portfolio. There are different ways to hedge depending on the type of risk being hedged against. Delta hedging. Delta is a measure of the sensitivity of an options price to changes in the underlying asset's price. Delta hedging involves buying or selling shares of the underlying asset to neutralize the delta of the option. Time decay hedging. Options lose value over time due to the passage of time, known as time decay. Time decay hedging involves selling options to take advantage of this decay. Futures hedging. Futures contracts can also be used to hedge against potential losses in a portfolio. Traders can use options to make speculative bets on the future direction of an underlying asset. Here are some common speculative strategies. Long call. A trader buys a call option on an underlying asset if they believe the price of the asset will go up. If the price does go up, the trader can exercise the option and make a profit. Short call. A trader sells a call option on an underlying asset if they believe the price of the asset will stay the same or go down. If the price stays the same or goes down, the trader keeps the premium received from selling the option. Long put. A trader buys a put option on an underlying asset if they believe the price of the asset will go down. If the price does go down, the trader can exercise the option and make a profit. Short put. A trader sells a put option on an underlying asset if they believe the price of the asset will stay the same or go up. If the price stays the same or goes up, the trader keeps the premium received from selling the option. Spread trading involves buying and selling different options contracts in the same underlying asset. Here are some common spread trading strategies. Vertical spreads. A vertical spread involves buying and selling options with different strike prices. For example, a trader might buy a call option with a strike price of $100 and sell a call option with a strike price of $110. This limits the potential profit, but also limits the potential loss. Calendar spreads. A calendar spread involves buying and selling options with different expiration dates. For example, a trader might buy a call option with an expiration date 3 months from now and sell a call option with an expiration date 1 month from now. This can be used to take advantage of time decay and volatility changes. Of course, these are just a few examples of the many different trading strategies that can be created using options and futures. As with any type of trading, it's important for traders to do their research, manage their risk, and be disciplined in their approach. Thank you for joining this introduction lecture on options and futures trading strategies.